Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our maths class. I'm your maths teacher from United Public School, Tandoor. Okay, what we are discussing, ma? We are discussing the 8th class first chapter. What is that real rational number, ma? Okay, our chapter name is rational number. Rational number is nothing but it is in the form of the number can be expressed in the form of p by q. Okay, any number we can express in the form of p by q. And second condition is that q should not equals to 0. That is a condition. In that we are completing the exercise 1.2. We are discussing exercise 1.3. Okay. In that we are completing the first bit and second bit. Today we are discussing the third one question. Okay. First one. What is that? What is the question? Can you see the question? 3. Third one question. Find the x plus y divided by x minus y. What we have to find? We have to find this value where x and y is given. Okay. We have to substitute this value on this expression. What is the expression here? What is the expression? X plus y divided by x minus y. It means it expression can be written as x plus y divided by x minus y. Okay, here can you see the symbol? It is divided by nama means that if a divided by b, we can write it as a by b nama. Similarly, here we are consider this value as a and this value as a b. A divided by b, we can write it as a by b. Similarly, x plus y divided by x minus y, we can write it as this form. Okay, by converting this form, we can find these values. Okay, after we have to find the x plus y, then x minus y. The both values after finding the x plus y, x minus y, we have to substitute in this expression. I can explain the first one question. Let's see how can we do it. Can you see the answer? What is the find x plus y divided by x minus y? If what is the first one question is the second one question is the first we have to find the first one. What is that? X is equals to 5 by 2 and y is equals to minus 3 by 4. Okay. This value is given, x and y value is given. Just we have to substitute this equation in this expression. Okay. First we have to find. Before substitution we have to find the x plus y then x minus y. After finding this value we have to substitute it. Okay. First. Given that whatever given in the question, just you have to write in the answer after writing the given that. Okay, given that s is equals to 5 by 2, y is equals to minus 3 by 4. Up to that clear, ma? Just I am writing the whatever given in the question, just write here. First, what we have to find? We have to find this value, nama. First, we have to find the x plus y. Okay, here x plus y I am finding. Afterwards, what we have to find? X minus y. Okay, I am finding the x minus y here. Okay, one by one I have discussed. I will explain the one by one. What is the x plus y, nama? What we have to find? X plus y means x plus y. X plus y. What is x, ma? X is 3 by 5 by 2. Plus is as it is here. What is y? What is y? What is this? Minus 3 by 4. Y is equals to minus 3 by 4. I am writing here. Up to that clear? Nothing is doing, ma. Just I am substitute the whatever values is given. I am substituting here. Okay. 5 by 2 is as it is. Plus into minus. What happened? Plus into minus is minus only, nama. Plus into minus. Here double sign is there. We have to single it. We have to write the single number with the help of this condition. What are the condition is there? Plus into minus is minus 3 by 4. Up to that clear, ma'am? Come to the next step. What we have to do? We have to find the LCM. Okay. We have to do the LCM. The LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. How, ma? How can it is we get the 4? Can you explain this LCM? Hi, here 2 is there, ma. 4 is there. Means we can cut it as 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are means again we are taking the 2. 1 is as it is. 2 ones are 2 means 2 twos are 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. The overall LCM is 4, ma. Okay, up to that clear? Just I am taking the LCM. Okay, ma. Okay. When we get the 4 in 2's table, when we get 2 4s are 2 2s are 4. When we get, ma, in 2's table 4, when we get 2s are means that 2 we have to multiply with numerator means 5 2s are 5 2s are. Okay, just we have to multiply this middle number with numerator. Okay, minus is as it is. When we get 4 in 4th table 4 1s are 4 means when we get 1s are means that value we have to multiply this numerator means 1 into 3. I am writing here 1 into 3. Up to that clear? 1 into 3. Okay, again the numerator, our LCM is 4 as it is. I am writing here Just 5 2s are 10, minus is as it is, 3 1s are 3. Okay ma, up to that clear? Denominator is as it is ma. 3 minus 4, 3 minus 10 minus 3 is 7, means our answer is our x plus y we get 4, 7 by 4. Okay, up to that clear ma? What we get? X plus y is a 7 by 4. What we have to find? We have to similarly we have to find the x minus y. We have to find the expression. This expression now we have to find the value of this expression. I am finding the x plus y. What we have to find now? We have to find the x minus y now. Can you see here? I'm right. We are finding the x plus y. We get the 7 by 4. Okay. What we have to find? X minus y. X minus y. Just we have to put the value of x. What is x? 5 by 2. I am writing the 5 by 2 and minus is as it is. What is y? Y is minus 3 by 4. I am writing the minus 3 by 4. Okay. Up to that clear? Just I am putting the values in this step. 5 by 2 is here. What is the 2 sign is there now? We have to write the one sign with the help of condition. What are the condition? Plus into plus. Minus into minus is plus nama. With the help of this condition we can write the one single sign. Okay, minus into minus plus, and 3 by 4 is as it is. Up to that clear? Just I am putting the values. After putting, just we are writing this step by doing the minus into minus plus. Okay, up to that clear? What is the LCM of 2 and 4? I am writing, we are doing here now. What we get? We are 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4. The LCM of these two numbers is 4. Okay ma? In 2's table, when we get 4, 2 2s are 4. When we get 2 2s are 4, means when we get 2s are, means we have to multiply the numerator with 2. 5 2s are, okay, 5 into 2. Plus is as it is ma. 4 into 4 means when we get 4 in 4's table, 4 1s are 4, means 4 1s are, okay. This one we have to multiply the numerator, means 3 1s are, okay, 3 into 1. Just this whatever be, when we get that number we have to multiply with numerators. Okay, up to that clear? Okay, 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10, plus is as it is, 3 1s are 3. Okay, denominator is as it is ma. 10 plus 3 is 13 divided by 4. Okay, what we get? X minus y, s minus y, we get the 13 divided by 4. What we get ma? We have to find the value of x plus divided by x plus y divided by x minus y. We have to find now. We get the value of x plus y and x minus y. What we have to do now? We have to divide these values. Okay, what we have to do? We have to divide this value. Okay, what we get? X plus y we get 7 by 4, x minus y we get 13 by 4. Just we have to divide these both numbers. We have to find this expression nama. This expression we have to find. If the a divided by b is given, now what we can write? A by b. Similarly, here the x plus y is given divided by x minus y. We can write it as x plus y divided by x minus y. Okay. Here by doing this we have whatever answer we get, just we have to put it. Okay ma, x plus y. What we get? X plus y. What we get? X plus y, we get the 7 by 4. Okay, I am writing the numerator x plus y 7 by 4. What about denominator x minus y? Okay, what is x minus y? We get 13 by 4. Okay, I am writing the 13 by 4 minus x minus y is 13 by 4. I am writing here. What we get? 7 by 4. Okay, I want to put this number on the numerator. This number I want to put the numerator for better simplification, for easy simplification. Okay, when we send the numerator into the denominator, what will happen ma? The whatever number it is there, it become reverse. If a by b is there, it become to numerator is b by a. Okay, it become reverse ma. Okay, this denominator we want to put in the denominator, if we want to put the numerator, it become the reverse ma. Okay, here 13 by 4 is there. When we go to the denominator, what will happen? It is 4 by 13. Okay, can you understand this step? Just we have to do this by denominator we are putting the numerator, where we putting it become the reverse. 13 by 4 it become the 4 by 13. Okay, after that clear? What here? The 4 is get cancelled ma. What is our answer? 7 by 13. 7 by 13, this is our answer ma. Hope you understand the process. What we have to prove? Just we have to prove this expression. What is the expression? S plus y divided by x minus y. X and y values is given ma. Just we have to put the value. First we have to find x plus y, afterwards x minus y. I am finding here. Hope you understand the process. X plus y is there, x minus y is there. Okay. After finding the values, we have to put these values on this expression. Okay. Afterwards, we get the 7/13 at last our answer. Okay, ma? I was explaining the third one question. You have to find the second one. Just you have to put the same process you have to do. First you have to find the x plus y. Then you have to find the x minus y. After getting the value, you have to put on the expression, whatever expression, x plus y is there, x plus y divided by x minus y. Okay, after getting the values, we have to put on that expression, we get the answer. And I was explaining the first one, you have to do the second one and submit in the group. Okay, today's class is completed. Whatever discussed today, you have to write in your notes as well as your homework also. Okay, this is your homework. Just you have to complete and submit in the group. Okay, thank you.